Hey, I'm going to show you how to play this new Juice WRLD song. If you find it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like. It helps out a lot. So the beginning of this song is pitched up an octave, and then once the beat drops, it goes to the regular tuning. It's going to sound like this. So slower. The tabs for that will be 2, 2 on the E string, and then 4, 6 on the A string, then 4, 4 on the E string, 6, 8 on the A string, 6, 6 on the E string, 8, 6 on the A string, 4, 4, 6, 4 on the A string. So that slower is 2, 2, 4, 6,